Welcome everybody to another episode of Beer League Hockey. Today we are replacing the Bootstrap on my Brian SubZeros. So yesterday when I went to go play, I noticed I had a cut in one of my Bootstraps, so I must have kicked it against a post, caught it between the blades, something like that, or something along those lines. So anyway, got cut, so before it broke in game, went ahead and got them replaced. So went over to Behind the Mask out here in Phoenix. This one's on Shea. They seem to be more geared towards goalies than the other BTMs in my opinion. But anyway, picked up a couple straps, and these are going to be real quick and easy to replace. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I have another video up here you'll see for my Reebok pads, a little bit more complicated to replace. These things are going to be a breeze. We're going to be in and out of here in no time. So let's go ahead and replace them, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so here's the replacement straps. Here's the original. As you can see, nice big chunk taken out of it, or a big rip. Not much difference in size. These may be a tad bit wider, not much. Biggest difference, these are actual like a leather. These are synth leather, so they're what should be really good is that these should kind of hold their shape and not kind of get hard and brittle like leather straps do. So I definitely like a leather strap, just for tradition's sake. But these, I did have something similar to these on my Reebok pads, and made a big difference as far as game wear and tear. These held up a lot better, so it's gonna be kind of nice to replace these. So anyway, let's get to it. So all you have to do to remove it is to get in here and dig this out with your fingers. So there's a little, you can feel it. Basically, you're just grabbing this, and then you slowly grab a hold of it, pull it, until eventually it just slides completely out of that pocket. And to replace it is going to be just the same, but in reverse. So let's go try it. So as you can see, there is going to be a slight size difference, and they did warn me about that at BTM, but I mean, hey, come on, there, it's what we need. So they said just to do a little trimming, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab, see if I have some scissors out here, or maybe some tin snips. Take a look, see what I have. We'll trim this up, and then we'll reinstall them. All right, it's kind of hard to get on camera, but I trimmed them just a little bit on the edges. So we're going to try this again. There you go. And again, like to replace them, you just get inside here and pull them out. Anyway, there you go. All set. All right. So the second one's just going to be the exact same thing as you saw for the first. So there's no sense to waste your time on there. But SubZeros, make it easy to replace. There you go. Happy goaltending. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Have a good one.